In front of me is LENOVO Tab One, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by locating Clock app that's already on your device and tapping on it. Now choose Alarms section at the bottom left corner, and to create a new one, use plus icon on the right. Now set up an hour. Don't worry, you can change it whenever you want to, and hit OK. When I do that, as you can see, my alarm was successfully created. Now it's time to adjust it. Tap on it on the left and make all of your changes. As I mentioned before, you can change an hour. To do it now, hit Edit right next to it. Pick a new one and hit OK. Now you can either tap on Schedule Alarm, pick any date you want and hit OK to save it, or pick days of the week here. Let's go with Mondays and Fridays. If you decided to pick days of the week too, and not only one specific date, you can choose this plus next to Pause Alarm and exclude any dates in which you don't want for your alarm to ring. Save them by hitting OK, and delete them by tapping on Cancel. To label your alarm, hit Alarm Name and type in whatever you want to. Then to hide your keyboard, use this checkmark at the bottom right corner. Let's go into Sound section now. And over here you have a lot of choices. You can either pick one of your sound platforms listed at the top and log in to use music from it. You can also select Add New to pick any song from your tablet and set it up by clicking on it. Or you can choose one of those melodies instead. Let's go with Helium. Now, if you are using Google Assistant Routine, tap on this plus right next to it. And this way, add your alarm to your assistant by tapping on Setup Routine. If you are not using it, don't worry, you can always go back later on. Now tap on Save at the bottom right corner to save all of those changes. As you can see, my alarm was successfully adjusted. Now, to turn it on or off, operate this switcher on the right. To delete it, click on it on the left and choose Delete option at the bottom left corner. Quick tip before we end, you can tap on those three dots at the top right corner, hit Settings, and most people miss that you can scroll down and adjust all of those alarm options as well, like snooze. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!